Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to completely uninstall 360 Total Security from your computer. So let's get started. The first method uses the built-in Windows uninstall process. Start by opening the Start menu, searching for Control Panel, and launching it. In the top right corner, change the View By option to Category. Under the Program section, click Uninstall a Program. Find 360 Total Security from the list of installed applications and select it. Click Uninstall to begin the removal process. When the uninstall window appears, click Next in the bottom right corner. Choose the option that says I do not need it, then click Uninstall. Confirm the process by selecting Uninstall again and wait for Windows to complete the removal. If the standard uninstall method does not completely remove 360 Total Security, you can use a third-party uninstaller instead. Open your web browser and search for Revo Uninstaller. From the search results, open the official Revo Uninstaller website. Click Downloads in the top right corner, then scroll down and select the Revo Uninstaller free download option. After the installer finishes downloading, open your Downloads folder and run the setup file. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Revo Uninstaller. Once the installation is complete, select Launch Revo Uninstaller and click Finish. When Revo Uninstaller opens, find 360 Total Security in the list of installed programs. Double-click on it to start the removal process and scan for leftover files. Before continuing, it's recommended to create a system restore point so you can undo any system changes if needed. After that, click Continue. Revo Uninstaller will ask you to choose a scanning mode. This scan looks for leftover files, folders, and registry entries related to 360 Total Security. Select Moderate and click Scan. Once the scan is complete, review the detected leftover items. Select all the remaining files and click Delete to remove them. After deleting the leftover files, 360 Total Security should be completely removed from your system. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.